So friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is ULANZI wireless microphone A21 and it's a budget microphone. So without further delay, let me unbox it and then we'll talk more about it. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have already tested this microphone and right now the voice you are listening to is directly recorded from my iPhone and it is unfiltered and raw audio. So I am doing this just so that you can have a clear difference between the smartphone's audio and the ULANZI A21 microphone's audio. So this is the box you can see and this is the back side of the box. It is pretty good box and you get actually a lot of accessories in the box, and you can see its price is just $32 on the AliExpress, and I will provide you a discount code which you need to apply it and you can have some discount. So this is the case. You can see you need to click it and then it opens. So this is pretty good, very easy to carry and very lightweight as well. You get your two transmitters and these are two magnets which are attached here. You can see like this. So now you have these clips attached to these microphones. Isn't this impressive? It's actually super impressive. So I am actually really impressed by it. Now this is the receiver and you get one charging cable, two lanyards and two furry windshields as well. Let me apply one for you. So you can see it's pretty easy to apply and now it has been applied. So you can use it like this or like this. Now how to use it, this is a very easy guide. Please pause the video and see all for yourself. It's very easy. So it has a very good charging time. The green light will turn on. Similarly, for the microphone to be turned on, you have to press this button for 1.5 seconds and this is the light being turned on. This is the automatic noise reduction mode and this is the pure audio mode. This is a reverb mode. I don't know how that works. And this is the mute option. So friends, now I will directly plug this into my iPhone and let's see what sound you get from this microphone. So friends, this is the pure audio you are listening from the A21 ULANZI wireless microphone. So this is the pure audio without any noise reduction. So let me on the noise reduction for you. This is the noise reduction mode, and honestly speaking, noise reduction is working very fine. The noise in the background has been reduced significantly, but similarly at the same time it also deteriorates or makes your original voice a little bit more complex as well. What do you think? So that's why I like the pure audio mode more. And this is the reverb mode. So the previous sound you listened was the reverb mode from this microphone. So I don't know how that works, but it's strange. So friends, again I'm back to the pure audio mode from A21 wireless microphone. I think pure audio is working very fine. I know there has some background noise, but I want a clear audio. So when I turn on the noise reduction, the audio is not very clear, although the noise in the background is reduced. I think overall it's actually a very perfect device for the beginners. Even if you are a professional, I think it's fine because I will use it in my upcoming videos. But it is a perfect one for the beginners. So it's available on AliExpress, ULANZI official store. I will provide you the discount code and the link, and you can have it more cheaper. And you can see you can use it in any way you want. So that's it. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. As far as the battery timing is concerned, well, the battery is, the charging case battery has 30 hours, and this one has 6 hours plate time. So that's actually impressive. So there is nothing more to say except this, that I find it very perfect, and I rate it 5 out of 5 stars because it's a very budget microphone. Remember, it's a very budget microphone, and in this age a perfect microphone at least starts from $100 and above. So you can get this microphone in 28 or 27 US dollar after you apply the discount code. So it's a perfect choice for the beginners. Thank you.